live. Let's see if I can focus on you. I can't.
Is that a potato or is it is that a potato?
This is awful. I cannot focus this.
Did you get that in focus?
No,
That's
I
what
can't.
All the YouTubers complain about. They're like, is that in focus?
Look, try to get me. It's not
They're
focusing.
Like, is it focused?
It's not focused.
There you go. It's focused
Now it's focused?
Now it's focused.
So why don't I tell you why we're here? So
Yeah,
we
sure.
just weighed in at CrossFit Strong Island, and I was 0.2 pounds over in my clothes, most of my clothes. So apparently that's good enough, and I'm the 181 weight class. And Eric was what, like 4 pounds under?
Yeah, I didn't take off any of my clothes either.
It was disturbing.
Four
Haven't
pounds
eaten
under.
enough. So now we're trying to stuff ourselves as much as we can. Inspired by the video we watched from the... Oh, how you doing?
Sorry,
What
I
do we
don't
got?
have eggplants.
No eggplants.
I have chicken.
No eggplant.
Let me take a look at the menu.
sorry.
No problem. And I gotta make a last minute substitution. There we go. Oh, we can take the butter in shot. Perfect. Pancakes. Look at that. That's half of it. There's more. Let's see if I can do this. Alright, we're on the train back in. Which side of this phone do I look at?
Huh?
I can't tell where to look, so
here.
my eyes look normal right here. Yeah, you're
Just
right.
hold it farther away from yourself.
Anyway, so we're on our way back in from stuffing ourselves at the diner. More food had to be eaten. We didn't perform very well. It was embarrassing. Truly embarrassing. And we were stuck in Merritt for a while. Now we're in Forest Hills, which is always fun. There's a good bakery in Forest Hills, actually. We should get off and get some. Just ate the E train in an hour.
You're wasting too much time already.
Yeah, you're right. I just need to go to the office and pick up my Kindle and then go get the car. So I just need to eat a lot more and go to sleep. Alas. On my second train trip of the evening here, I'm still eating. Delicious. It's 6:11 a.m. Morning of. And I feel great. Let's get driving. Stopping by the supermarket for some supplies here. Never have too much meat. Look at this. It's 8:10, so I'm running 10 minutes late, but we're here picking up Eric at his very prestigious address. Maybe we'll have to edit that out. He doesn't want all these admirers. Still haven't eaten my breakfast. And I hope the police don't arrest me because I'm sort of blocking the street right in front of the police station. Oh, here he is. What is this, Westside?
It's CrossFit.
Oh, yeah. We're doing a CrossFit competition today, right? Yep. All right. Gotta get rolling. We're on the 138th Avenue in Queens, coming up on Francis Lewis Boulevard.
How much time before we're there?
Approximately 18 minutes.
That's a lot of time.
It is a lot of time.
That sounds like a CrossFit WOD.
Are you doing max effort filming there for time?
It's CrossFit.
It's Westside. What are you talking about? You're wearing a Westside shirt.
I guess I am.
Are you recording that with bands?
Huh?
Are you recording that with bands?
No, it's on a block.
Great.
It's a block pull.
Really?
It's a max effort variation. That's
Is that
Westside.
your program?
Yeah. That's Westside.
If you say so. I don't think Louis Simmons would do that.
Yeah.
This rapping's taking forever. Come on. Come on.
And that is it. Same weight, 105.
No.
That bench is probably not the right height.
You think? Zoom in on that. No, that looks fine.
Now let's go better. Hey, that's a safety spotter arms. What if I have no arch and it hits those arms?
Then, I mean, you're just screwed. Don't do that. Don't do that. Come on.
And that is a
That's a shame.
115 for the next three lifters. Alan Rosen is up. Nicole Basic, you are on deck. Bring us out towards the hole.
This camera sucks.
Lifters, we need your attempts, please.
Closer. Come on, Allie. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Up. Yeah.
And lifters, great. Same weight for Nicole Basic, 115. You are on deck. Number two from the hole. SFPS is poured out. Poured out lifter will finish up for 7 attempts.
How you feeling?
Tired.
Yeah. Come on. I really want to start. All right. What? No.
New lift, same weight, 280.
So close. Almost. 280. She's matching her gym PR.
Is that
This is her, yeah.
you're on YouTube.
Congratulations. You're internet famous. Come on, Allie. Right on up. Come on, come on, come on. Lock it out. Come on, come on. Come on, one more. Here. White lights. I'm telling you, no matter what weight's on the bar.
lifted.
Come on, Eric. Come on.
It is a good clip. 365 is next 9.
Come on. Come on. Hit.
And that
Zero. Zero.
Zero. Zero. Zero. Grand total of 0. I just finished the deadlift. We both totaled the grand. So it's a good day so far. Now the second flight's going, and they're putting some savage numbers up in the third flight for deadlifts. And they're all making me feel really weak. There's a 600-pound opening in there. And my gear is completely out of control. And I think Eric might be died. There we're looking here.
On our second attempt, there's 8 minutes left in the second attempt.
So let's see if I can make it to the end of this that fast now.
Potatoes rolling.
What?
The potatoes rolling.
Oh, so apparently I won first place in my division because basically there was no one in my division. So I'm kind of embarrassed and kind of excited at the same time.
Well, there were 2 people in your division,
There were 2
right?
people in my division, so I had a 50% chance of winning.
What did the second guy total?
He totaled 970, so I just barely won first place. It was tough competition.
And what did you total?
Raw Classic 181 amateurs. I totaled 1,000. So basically, I shouldn't have been competitive in any realistic meet. But I beat Adam's Wilk score by like 0.5. Is that right? So there's that. It makes me kind of happy. Right. So I think that's enough of me babbling on about this kettlebell. Come to this. She might have Instagram. There we go. Yep. There we go.
Heard you were dead.
It's looking kind of empty tonight here in Pelham. But at least I got the handle I don't need to hold while I'm pumping the gas. That's a victory. Maybe I'll get some more food. Oh. Not so bad.